Face recognition machine operation video. Call apartment 1. Screen 1 unlock. Call apartment 2. Screen 2 unlock. Call apartment 1. Screen 1 unlock. Call apartment 2. Screen 2 unlock. Enter password 123456 to unlock. Unlock by swiping card. Face recognition unlock. Enter the room number to enable screen-to-screen intercom. Face recognition settings. Enter password 666,666. Click to enter the system. Password settings. Enter 123,456. New password 112233. Confirm by entering 112,233 again. Password changed successfully. How to add a card. Click on IC access card, then click on Add IC card. Enter room number 201. Add IC card. Added successfully. Adding and deleting face recognition. Click to enter. Click to delete. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner to add face recognition. Added successfully. Monitor settings for all functions and applications. Access administrator. Enter password 666,666. Click on the room address. Enter floor 3. Room 1. Monitor 1. Setup successful. Three modes.